Storm door guy here installing a Andersen 3000 full view storm door. And if you're in the middle of doing this, you've got these little guys. They're called screw covers, and they can be one of the most challenging parts of the install. Let me show you through my eyes a quick way to install these things without going insane. All right, so we have a door here. It's the Andersen, like I said, and these screw covers go right here and they cover the screw heads. They're finish strips. These are the easiest of all the manufacturers to put on. You just stick it in there and rotate it around. You can take your thumb and then push on the outside as this clicks in. Sometimes they will begin to fight you, and if you're doing a Larson door or something like that, it can really be a pain in the neck. So what you want to do is grab a carpenter pencil. I trim off the paint because I don't want it to leave orange marks, but you use this instead of your thumbs and just push on the outside like that all the way down, and it snaps these guys on very, very quickly and very easily. So you want to get this inside edge just set first. This one will flop around. Take the pencil and just run it straight down like that. If you hear a snap at the end, that means you've done it right. Quick way to put on the screw covers for an Andersen door or any other model is use this carpenter pencil right here.